everyone. You may have been saying, how is your gameplay so good? Well, I've learned from these tactics. So, I'm gonna give you just like a little warning. Okay, so I'm gonna give you some strategies on how you move your things around.
Three, two, one, go. Get out of my way.
For example, there was like an enemy there, and you go. Anytime you're in a corner, don't shoot both of them. That's a very bad idea. When you're behind the wall and you're peeking out and you want to shoot, you gotta only shoot the one who's peeking out like this. Move on each side. And when you're out, you can go to another wall and just try and reload. And do the same thing if you're enemies. Over the enemies. Every shoot, you gotta go back. And then when you reload, you go to a safe spot. And then do it again. Right, just like that. So if you have a slingshot and you don't have to use your dash, when you are near an enemy and let's just say they're right here, when you're near an enemy and teammates are near you, you can dash them and throw them with the gun. This is pretty cool. So, and do the same tactic like before. Pick out, shoot. Pick out, shoot. Everything like that. But people have a lot of trouble. Like mine is a lancer like up there. You can't shoot them, right? Everywhere they go, just keep tracking the movements. But then you can just move head. You can just go under them. You can shoot them. Now right now. Shoot them. And then go under, and then reassume, and then go here, and then film again.
3, 2, 1.
And if you don't know how to use your lancer, the first thing you want to do is just go up on high roof. And you can block it like this. You can go here, shoot. Shoot. You're gonna only use the gun which is shooting out to shoot. Okay. Go to other spots. And I recommend you to stealthily go to the enemy spawn point. And just like that. If you have arrows when you're shooting, and I recommend if you have mortars, just don't. If you have javelins or mortars, you're not going to action normally. Don't get close. You gotta stay at your normal control point. Then you gotta just shoot rapidly, reload, shoot rapidly, shoot. That's how you do it. And you see how it's typical. When you see an enemy which is not looking at you, do this to become safe and you keep them constantly. They look at you. You gotta run away, run away, run away. And it's just a guardian. You wanna run away fast. Nothing can block a guardian's assistance fast. And if you have this, you just every time when you go to action, you gotta use this shield. It's too everywhere. And if you have a step mech, you wanna go to some secret entrances, and then while the enemy is distracted, you gotta keep them and go into your little entrance again. Use north side. And then when you don't have any, when you're not related, you can shoot. And just like that, everyone. So I'll try to do it in a real what that. I'll try to do it in a real match. Okay. Always the same tactic.
3, 2, 1, go. Let's get things started.
And also, if you just in case if you can, well, if an enemy is shooting you, you look at them. It is good for mods because if you have a mod, it will work. So I'll look at them and then let them get infected. So, hold on.
Incoming fire.
Oh. What the?
Incoming fire.
Okay. Sorry. I wasn't doing it. Okay.
Incoming fire. Critical damage.
It can lead us out.
We are running out of time. Incoming fire. You have 2 minutes remaining.
You saw nothing. just